Yes, today guys, I am here in Putney and then I will be experiencing guys the competition between Cambridge and Oxford. It's about the boat race guys, and we're gonna see who's going to win this year because last year Cambridge won, and we're going to experience what this competition is. It's a very busy day in Putney guys, and this is the competition between Cambridge and Oxford. It's a boat race 2019. Last year was Cambridge won the competition, and who's going to win this year? That's going to watch out. Last year was really good. It's because it's a sunny day. Right now it's kind of gloomy and it's so cold, so can expect more people gonna watch this competition, and hopefully gonna be more people because it's very cold. We're gonna expect always like more people, like 300,000 people are watching this competition guys. So we're going to find out guys and see what's going to happen this year. Me and my wife are here in Putney Beach right now experiencing the competition, the 165th annual competition of boat race between Cambridge University and Oxford University. The competition is about to start. is over, guys. Cambridge won the 2019 boat race. And again, guys, see you next year for this another boat race 2020. And guys, this is the end of the day, and hopefully you like my video. And this is not all about this is about a random video just for today. Just went out to see the competition, the boat race competition between the Oxford University and Cambridge University. And this year, guys, where Cambridge University won again this race. Next year, guys, we're going to see Oxford will beat Cambridge, or either Cambridge will beat again Oxford. So guys, hopefully you like my video, and if you're not subscribed yet to my channel, guys, please do click the subscribe button down there, guys, and please do like and share, and don't forget, guys, to click the bell sign there next to the subscribe button so that you will be notified on my latest videos. So guys, love yourself, keep it simple, live free. See you next time. Bye.